In this video, we will be demonstrating how to get dressed for Crnorečje. First, put your pants on. After you put your pants on, put on your socks. When putting your socks on, fold the fabric of the pant around your leg, pulling to the back to provide a clean look. Then, pull your sock up and adjust the drawstring. Next up are your opanke. For this dance, we use opanke called prikazujemo. Tighten the strings at the top of your foot and then wrap the two long strings around the base of your ankle, leaving enough string to tie a double knot. Ensure your opanke are tight on the foot but not uncomfortable. When tying your knot, make sure not to overly tighten it as you won't be able to undo the string. Once tied, take the ends of the leftover string and wrap them around the string on your ankle. Next is your shirt. Make sure to button all the buttons. Now you can tuck your shirt into your pants, making sure to pull the shirt down to avoid bunching and wrinkling. Now you can tightly tie your pants, making sure the pants are sitting higher up on your waist to prevent them from falling down. Make sure to tuck in the remaining drawstring. Now you can take a moment to adjust your shirt and pants and make sure that everything is sitting neatly. Next is your belt, or pojas. Start by roughly measuring where you need to place the pojas and make sure that the end of the pojas hits either the side or at the back. Make sure that it is not sitting at the front. Then go ahead and tightly wrap the belt around and pin it with two safety pins from inside, one at the top and one at the bottom. Make sure that your belt is sitting properly to avoid separating the belt from the pants. You can also take a moment to ensure that both of your sleeves are buttoned up. Now you can put on your vest, also called a yelek. Take this opportunity to adjust your sleeves and pull your shirt down in the back to get rid of any bunching. Lastly, you can now put on your shubara, making sure to shape the top inwards as seen in the video. And that's the final look. Don't forget to add your black leather belt and your vrtuljak.